The seasons change, the plants change, as well as our mood changes. Our planet has changed a lot in the last year, and so has the way we live. We spend more time indoors, so cultivating nature inside is even more important and fun. The health benefits of cleaner air indoors and the beauty of nature is powerful and joyful. Our passion for nature has never been of greater importance. Why not build it yourself at home when you don't have time to go out?
Hi Kickstarter. In 2017, after being inspired by my daughter's building blocks and my own passion for plants, using my profession as a designer, I created LeGrow, a creative indoor planting system. Since launching, LeGrow has 10,000 followers, with new followers daily.
With LeGrow, nature lovers can build, cultivate, and enjoy their own indoor oasis blooms. Today, I'm introducing you to the new LeGrow series. The self-watering system enables a planter to absorb water and air to nurture the roots. Trays are combined like building blocks. It is simple to design any shape. The transparent bottom is convenient for monitoring water storage. Fill one tray. The whole oasis is fully filled. Water once every 7 to 15 days is enough for maintenance. LeGrow lighting works up to 12 hours, assuring that plants absorb all the needed light. We designed 2 new planters. There are tons of new choices for every type of creative indoor garden project. LeGrow is more than just an indoor oasis. Embedded with a high-quality Bluetooth speaker with a reflective structure inspired by the Italian bell tower. Plus music playback and a mobile charger, the product becomes multifunctional. LeGrow is highly recommended for office or home decoration because it's more sustainable, less time, and cost-consuming. Thank you for your interest in LeGrow. Please share this project with your friends. Support LeGrow, support creation.